I'm here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area with Oscar and his EL team. Jesus, tell us a little bit about your company and what your experience has been.
So I'm Jesus Acosta. I work with Start Clean Legacy. I'm a managing director. I've been in this EL group for about 2 years now, and had a wonderful experience, and I really love Mr. Richard's presentation today.
What did you pick up today that was really important for your job?
The 80-20 rule.
80-20 rule.
Yes, sir.
It's an amazing tool to find out who your 20% of your customers give you 80% of your revenue, and then paying attention to them and building a proactive relationship. I have doubled revenue with that program alone, which sounds like you're excited about.
Absolutely.
I was a chair for 8 years. I've mentored over 75 executives. Our average ad was 5 to 10x during the time. So the most important decision you can make, I believe, for an executive or a person is to find a Vistage group and join, because the return both personally and for your business is exponential. And I have an opportunity to be a certified valuator, and I value over 200 Vistage members, and they've all been so great to work with. So I've had a wonderful experience with you. Oscar's been great. Go find a Vistage group. That's my message. Have a great day.